Hello everyone, I'm Kellen with Jantek Windows, and today what I wanted to do is just take a moment to explain to you how we at Jantek provide homeowners with estimates for window replacement. We call it the TeleEstimate. Historically, to get an estimate on replacement windows, you would have to schedule an appointment for a salesperson to come over to your house. If a homeowner was looking to get multiple estimates on the project, the process could take weeks and would require homeowners to carve time out of their busy schedule for the appointments. While Jantek would only ever book an appointment to measure the project for estimating purposes, it was not a sales pitch appointment. All of that changed when the pandemic hit. Our goal was to develop a way to continue to provide the community with window replacement estimates in the safest and most convenient way possible. While maintaining an accurate and fair cost for the project, our solution was the TeleEstimate. The TeleEstimate is an online form that a homeowner fills out. The questions were designed to allow us to provide an accurate price for the client's needs based on the number of windows and the scope of work to be done with the project. Because Jantek designs, manufactures, and installs all of our products, we can provide quotes based on the number of windows regardless of the size. This means that, with the exception of specialty windows and patio doors, all window style will cost the same. We are able to do this because we have our no outside contractors involved with our process. It's Jantek from start to finish. This allows us to offer a 20% discount off the product portion of the estimate when you order 5 or more units. The TeleEstimate process allows us to provide homeowners a firm contracted cost for the window replacement project sent via email in a matter of minutes. So if you're looking to get an estimate on windows for your home, the TeleEstimate is the fastest, easiest way to get a fair and accurate price. Look for the TeleEstimate button, fill out the form, and we'll contact you within minutes to confirm your needs and send you a quote. You can all be found on our website, jantekwindows.com. Just click free TeleEstimate. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I'm Kellen with Jantek Industries, and remember to save energy and capture comfort.